So today we talk about what is basic applications. Can anyone tell me what is application? Which we discussed on the first class. Feel free to talk, make yourself unmute so that it will be easy for me to talk. Okay. Feel free to talk. Please unmute yourself. Don't hesitate. Everybody. What is application? Can anyone tell me an application? I want answer. Am I audible?
Yes, audible. An
Okay. Please
application
unmute
is a
yourself.
program that runs on computer, phone, or other device.
Come again, Namrata.
Yes. An application is a program that's run on computer, mobile, other device.
Absolutely correct. So before running on computer, why do we need an application? First, we need to understand that, right? See, application will run on mobile or computer or device. That is all okay. Before that, you need to understand why we need this application. Application is used for is a set of rules. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Let's say an
Yes.
example, your calculator. Why do I need a calculator? In mobile, you will have a calculator. In desktop, you will have a calculator. In tab, you will have a calculator. Am I right or wrong? Without a calculator, is calculator is an application or a software? Whether calculation is an application or a software?
Yeah, it's a software.
It is a software. I can say calculator is an application. Understand? It is not a software. It is an application. Okay. What this application will do is it has a certain rules like add is a rule, subtract is a rule, division is a rule, multiplication is a rule. Can I say all these are a different rules or a same rule? Will add and subtract will be the same rule or a different rule?
Different.
Different rule. To combine all these rules, I'm building an application called calculator. Is it correct? I am combining all my rules and forming a calculator application. This is the same way we are going to build an application. Understand my point? Now, tell me to build these rules. To build these rules, what you require? Come on, everyone. To build these rules, we require programming language or not? Without a programming language, can we build these rules, Balaji? Mahesh?
No.
No. So what we need to build these rules, we need to learn a programming language. Do you all agree with this?
Yeah.
Everybody? What type of programming languages are available in the market? For Oracle, we have Java. We can say core Java. All right. For Microsoft, we have C#.NET. Understand my point? Understand my point?
Yeah.
To build any rule, we require a programming language. For Oracle Corporation, we have core Java. For Microsoft, we have C#.NET. You got my point? So this is the basic fundamental you need to learn to develop any application. It can be your desktop application, it can be your web application, it can be your enterprise application. The basic thing is programming language. Am I right or wrong? If you learn programming language, on top of that, you can learn any application building. If you are not able to understand a programming language like Java, C#, .NET, say Python is a scripting language. It is not a programming language. So don't combine Oracle, Java and .NET with the Python. Python is totally different. Python is a scripting language. It is not a programming language. Everybody clear? Soumya, Raju,
Yeah,
Priyanka, Namrata, Mahesh, Kishore, Chari, Bhargav, Balaji, Pooja Patil, Namrata, everybody.
yeah,
See, Python is a scripting language. Oracle, Microsoft is a programming language. Using programming language, we can build different type of applications. What we can do? Different types of applications. What is the different type of application in the market? Number one, desktop application. What application? Desktop application. Number two, web application. Number three, mobile application. Can you all tell me, apart from that, is there any different application we have in the market? Do you all think and tell me, apart from these three applications, is there any other application in the market? Bhargav, Bhagya, Chari, Kishore.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Apart from these three application types, is there any other different type of application in the market?
No, sir.
Either you have to deploy an application in a computer. So let's say an example, I'm taking a calculator. Will the calculator can access in another computer or a same computer? I have a calculator here. Can I access this calculator application in a different systems? The same application?
Yes. No.
No. Why? Because it is an executable file. Or you got my point? It is an executable file. It is an executable file. Okay, when you deploy this application in this computer, I can access this application only within this computer. I cannot access outside the computer. Am I right or wrong? So this application, I can say desktop or standalone application. What type of application it is? Desktop or standalone application. So what is the actual definition of this application? The application which had been installed in one computer can be executed on the same computer. On the same computer is known as what application? Desktop or standalone application. Say some people may call it as a desktop application. Some people may call it as a standalone application. As a developer, I am going to build desktop application or standalone application. Clear my point? So do you all understand what is a desktop application and what is a standalone application? Yes or no?
yeah,
So to build this desktop application, what is your base fundamental? What is the base you need to understand? Without ABCD, will you able to form a word? Without ABCD, will you
No.
able to form a word? No. Without 10th standard or plus 2 or intermediate, will you able to become an PG guy or UG guy? Is it possible?
No.
So what is your fundamental? Your fundamental is 10th standard certificate. Am I right?
Yeah.
In programming language, your basic fundamental is C#.NET or Core Java. A person who are moving into .NET can learn C#.NET. A person who have to learn in Java, they have to learn Core Java. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
That is your fundamental in real time. When you are coming into an IT industry, your fundamental is either C#.NET or Core Java. You all agree?
Yeah.
Namrata? Kishore Patil? Kishore Medadata. What is your name? That is
Yes, sir. Medadata.
Priyanka Patil, Raju or Rushikesh, Soumya P.
Yes.
Soumya P. Guys, I want everyone to active for next 15-20 minutes. Every day, 20 to 15 minutes, you should be active and you should learn technology from me. I don't want to be muted. I want everybody should unmute, focus for just 1 hour, feel like a direct session. Okay. Now the next topic is, let's go to MS Paint. I am having a, see, here I have a server. Listen carefully, I have a server. Understand? In this server, I had deployed an application called Facebook. I had deployed an application called facebook.com. Okay. Now you guys are accessing from the different computer or laptop or mobile device. There are 3 different users. Will they accessing? This guy is accessing a facebook.com, getting a response back to this guy. And same way, this guy is also accessing a facebook.com and this guy is getting a response. And again, I'm going to call the facebook.com and getting the access back to the here. Now tell me what type of application it is. Who is processing your request? Who is processing your request? Come on, guys. Who is processing your request? Facebook.com is going to process your request, right?
Yeah.
See, this guy, we will call it as a server. And these guys, we will call it as a client. These guys are, we will call it as a client. Whenever client make a request, this guy, we will call it as a client. Whenever client make a request, the request will come to the server process the request, generate the response, send the response back to the client. That is why we are calling as a client server technology. Client server technology. Do you all understand what is a client server technology? Balaji, Bhargav,
Yes, sir. Yes.
everybody.
Yes.
Do you all
Yes, sir.
understand what is client server technology? See, before you move into full stack.NET, you need to understand the basics. Okay, that is the main reason I'm taking this for the second class. You all understand what is client server technology? Bhargav, Bhagya, Jadhav, Raju R, Kishore, Chari. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, the point here is, in the web application, client makes a request to the server. That is my first step. Am I right or wrong? Is it correct?
Correct.
First, client makes a request to the server. What is your second point? Server receives a request, process the request, generate the response. Am I right or wrong? All these things server is doing. Generate the response and send the response back to the client. Do you all agree with this point?
Yes.
Do you all agree with this point? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
And then client will display response to the end user. Who is your end user? Who we are call it as an end user? A layman who doesn't know technology will be called it as a end user. Let's take an example of ICICI.com. Do you know where your request will go and process, but you are getting a data? Am I right? You are getting data or not? When you log in, are you able to see your statements? Say yes or no. When you are logging in ICICIbank.com, are you going to say, look into your statements or not? Mahesh, Namrata, Pooja, Balaji, Bhagya, Venuvanka, okay, Chari Venuvanka, Priyanka Patil, Raju, you guys are able to see your statement when you're logging in ICICIbank.com or not.
Yes, sir. We can see.
But the data of that particular statement should be available in your mobile or somewhere else.
In the mobile.
How? Are you storing in your mobile?
No.
Where it is available? Through internet, you are getting your data, right?
Yeah.
Through internet, you are getting the data or not?
Yeah. Right.
So the data will be available in the back end of database to this server application. You understand my point? Let's say take an example. This is your database. Everybody clear? Just this is most important topic I want to make you to understand. See, this is your database. Okay. You are making a request of ICICIbank.com. ICICIbank.com. Whenever user makes a request, this ICICIbank.com will talk to the database, get the data, send back to the client. So, where your data of the application is available? In server or client? The data of the ICICI application should be available in server or client?
Server.
Server.
Yes, server then client.
Server. So server is giving the data to the client. Let me prove you one thing. Let me open up Chrome. Okay. Go to Narendrababu, Swiggy.com. Swiggy.com. Now this is the portal. Swiggy.com is a portal or not? Now in this Swiggy.com, I just go here, use current location, allow visiting sites. It automatically fetch the data. Or you can say a restaurant name, something like you want to get a burgers. Now you see the list of burgers are available. This data is not available in your client browser. Where you are getting this data is, you see, I'm going to inspect element in the network tab. When I refresh, go to network, you see the list of data are coming from the server to client. Say yes or no. Are you able to see the network will hitting the lot of data? Say yes or no.
Yes.
This is the data which will give you a response. See, the data are coming in a JSON format. Data is coming. Say yes or no. You are
Yes,
getting a
coming.
data from the JSON or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, will this data present in the different place? But we are accessing the data with the help of servers. This client will access the data which are available in this database in a format of JSON. Do you all understand how the data is coming to your application?
Yes.
See, whenever you make a request from a client browser doesn't hold any data. Where the data will be available? Kishore, where the data will be available, Kishore? Priyanka Patil, where the data will be available?
Database.
Database, where the database will be available?
Server.
On server.
Server. In the server. Am I right or wrong? So do you all understand what is a client server technology?
Yeah.
Now you tell me, you want to be a good .NET developer or not? To building everything end to end. Say yes or no.
Yes.
You want to learn this technology end to end?
Yes.
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 How many of you say yes? Can you just put,
Yes, sir.
just message me in the chat? How many of you say yes? So this is how you want to build a application. As a fresher, when I want to become a full stack .NET or full stack Java developer, I want to learn end to end. Understand my point? So okay, so this is how we are going to build the application. So for this, as per our .NET full stack here, this diagram, we are going to learn SQL Server, which is the database. Okay, and here we are going to learn 3 technologies. What are all those? C#, .NET, ADO, .NET, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and then ASP.NET, MVC core. Understand my point? To build a server-based application, we need to learn C#.NET, ADO.NET, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, ASP.NET Core. On top of that, we are going to learn ASP.NET Core Web API. Understand, ma? Everybody understand or not?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
sir, I want to create a front-end application. For that, this front-end application, either I have to learn Angular or React. Always a better choice of .NET is Angular. Clear my point? Always a better choice of .NET is Angular. Or you got my point? You all understand why industry is looking for full stack .NET developer? Sir, I know only C#.NET. Can I become, I will get a job. Can I get a job? As per this diagram,
Yes.
anyone can tell me, can I get a job? I know only C#.NET. I know only HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. I don't know anything, database, Angular, React, ASP.NET Core, Web API, nothing I don't know. Can I get a job?
No, sir.
Think yourself, you are a company. You want to give a job to someone. Will you give a job?
No.
Will you provide a job to me? I am a developer. I'm coming to you. You are running a company. I know only C#.NET and HTML, ADO.NET. will you provide me a job?
No,
Why?
because working on the backend technologies,
So what is the skill I need to learn?
front end and backend both.
So when I learn both, can I
Yes.
claim myself as a full stack .NET?
Yeah.
Can I claim myself as a full stack .NET? See, this is basic setup. Now, sir, I developed the application. Do I need to deploy this application in a server or not? Do I need to deploy this application in a server? Say yes or no?
Yes.
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 To deploy this application in a server, either I need to aware of Azure
The
or AWS or Google cloud platforms. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah. Right.
Because I developed an application. I'm ready with my front end. I'm ready with my business application. I'm ready with my database. But to make this production, do I need to learn a cloud technology?
100%.
Come again? Do I need to learn cloud technology or not?
Yes. You should learn.
Yes. Yes.
Without a cloud technology, can I host my application?
No.
Chari, will you able to host an application without a cloud? So do you all understand, right? What is the basic that we need to learn to become a full stack .NET developer? It is similar way when you come back to Java, which is same only. If you look into here, in Java, what you will learn? You will learn core Java, which is equivalent to C#.NET. You will learn JDBC, which is equivalent to database connectivity. You will learn Hibernate, which is equivalent to entity framework in .NET. You will learn Spring MVC, which is equivalent to ASP.NET Core MVC. Okay, which is similar both this one and this one. Come on, guys. A person know core Java, JDBC, Hibernate, Spring MVC. The similarly in HTML, CSS, Bootstrap common to Java, guys. Angular, React is common to Java, guys. And database is common to Java, everybody. Even Azure cloud platforms is common. What is the only difference between Java and .NET, guys? What is the difference between Java and .NET, guys? Pooja, am I audible? Mahesh,
Yes, sir. Audible.
tell me what is the difference you are seeing between the full stack .NET and full stack Java? In full stack .NET, you are going to learn C#.NET, ADO.NET, which is equivalent to JDBC, and ASP.NET Core Web API. For that, you are using Hibernate and Spring MVC. See, I'll simply map it. Core Java to C#.NET, JDBC to ADO.NET, Hibernate to MVC, Spring MVC to Web API. Cool. And then what we are learning, this one is this is common for both, and this is common for both, and this is also common for both. And HTML, CSS, Bootstrap is also common. Only the difference you guys are seeing is either core Java, JDBC, Hibernate, and Spring MVC. So now tell me, .NET is a competitor of Java or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Microsoft .NET is a competitor of Java or not? Balaji.
Yeah, it is a competitor, sir.
Chari Venwaka.
Yeah, yes, both are competitors.
Sure. Priyanka Patil. Rishikesh Shiv Shetty.
Sir, your voice is little bit low.
Now it is okay. Rishikesh Shiv Shetty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is
Yeah.
called full stack .NET or full stack Java. Clear my point? Any questions? Any doubts?
No.
No, sir.
Tomorrow we are going to start from Microsoft C# .NET as a first class. Okay. Do you all clear what you are going to learn for next 120 days?
Yeah,
Yes.
clear.
Everybody clear that what you are going to learn for next 120 days? Do you have any questions on this? We are going to build a what application? What application we are going to build? We are going to build a web application as a e-store project. By 125th day, we are going to say, I can able to build e-store project by learning all these technologies deploy in Azure. That is my thumb rule. How many of you okay with this? By learning all these technologies within 120 days, I can able to build a project. Soumya, T. Bhargav is okay. Mahesh is okay. Anybody else? How many of you okay on this?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
Okay.
Yes, okay, but microservices.
Come again. Namrata?
Microservices.
Microservices after 120 days. First, you need to build this. As a fresher, you first build this. Then microservices will be another 60 days I will teach. Okay?
Yes.
First, you have
Okay,
to
sir.
create an application end-to-end, deploy that application in a cloud so that you will get a confident. And then from there, you can build 120 days, 60 days, you can microservice. Clear? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Tomorrow we can connect at 8 p.m. We can start the session as a regular basis. Clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. Those who want to talk to me, connect me through WhatsApp today and tomorrow. I will be available till 12 o'clock. Okay? Because 10 p.m. I have a class. Once I completed, I will be available till 12 o'clock. Those who want to talk to me, you can ping me through WhatsApp. Okay? Personally. Thank you all. Have a great day. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.